Okay, today we have the Springfield Hellcat OSP 3-inch barrel. It's got an RMR cut, bright illuminated front sight, not illuminated, but a bright front sight, rounded rear. It is squared off, so if you need to rack the slide in your belt, you can definitely do so. 11 round magazine, came with a 13 round as well. Let's go ahead and make it safe. Make sure you can see daylight through, the magazine's out, check with your finger, and we are good to go. Now, to take this thing down, it's like every other Springfield out there. I prefer to lock the slide to the rear, push up, ride the slide forward, pull the trigger, it comes off the front just like so. So you have your pieces. Remove the recoil spring. With the barrel, pull up, slide forward just a hair, and it comes right out. Again, slide it forward just a little bit, and then it comes right off the top. When you clean this firearm, like every other one, this one's brand new from the factory, so I'm probably just gonna wipe it down and lube it up, but always make sure that you clean everywhere that could possibly get dirty, the rails, you know, everything. If you've watched any of my other cleaning videos, check out the Glock 19 video. I'll put a tag up top. But that'll go through the entire cleaning process. But when you get it from the factory, they usually put what's called Cosmoline. In fact, I can look in and I can see, you probably won't be able to see it from your perspective here, but let me, if I angle it just right, you can see a little bit of gunk there towards the chamber end, right? So what I'm gonna do for this customer, because you should always clean that stuff out. You know, will it make your gun blow up? Probably not, but I'm just gonna run a bore snake through it a couple times just to clean it up a little bit. And take a peek in, and that gunk is now gone. So it wasn't so bad. Reassembly, barrel goes in first. Whenever you're putting the recoil springs in, if it's got a plastic component, the plastic usually goes towards the front of the gun, the muzzle of the gun. The flat steel goes towards the inside. So you just put that in, use your thumb, compress it just a hair, and sit it flat. Before I put this back together, I'm going to go ahead and just lubricate it a little bit, because like I said, it's a client gun, and so one of the things I do like to do is to make sure if the client leaves here, they can just go to the range and enjoy themselves. And so we're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of lube where metal meets metal. I'll even put it where plastic meets metal, just because. Okay. When you reassemble, take the slide, put the slide back on, lock it to the rear, flip your lever back down, and she's good to go. And always remember, I always lube the top of the barrel here and rack it a few times, because metal will touch metal in that area. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you also know if it's going to go to a client or if it's going to go back into the old safe, I always like to wipe it down with a silicone cloth, just a little bit added protection. And, well, makes it look a little prettier too. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That is the takedown and cleaning, disassembly, reassembly, field strip, whatever you want to call it, of the Hellcat OSP 3.0. Great little gun. Pick one up. If you liked the video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions about the gun itself or anything else, throw them in the comments. I answer every comment that comes in, especially with a question. If you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see, go ahead and throw those in there too. If you hit the bell, you'll get alerted when the new videos come out. We're also starting another series about things around the Second Amendment, kind of the way the country is going and things like that, and those will be coming out soon as well. So thanks for your time. Appreciate you spending some time with me. Train hard and stay safe.